Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Yes guys, so we're gonna make a healthy, super healthy antioxidants, packed with fiber, packed with vitamins, healthy dragon mango pineapple fruit smoothie for you with some sea moss full of antioxidants. A super food right here. All right guys. So if you want to make more, you can add to the recipe. I have frozen mango, frozen pineapple, and half of dragon fruit. Blender full. You can add some banana, but my mango will cream it out and everything if you want. And we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sea moss gel. And we're gonna use some almond milk, and this one is the unsweetened almond milk. All right guys, if you want it to be sweet, add some honey, maybe like a teaspoon of honey, but we're gonna up the honey. We're gonna drink it all natural. All right. And where is it? Find the lock, and we're gonna blend. Alright guys, so thick and nice. Alright guys, let's pour some in. Yay! I think that's just right. Alright my peeps, and this is it. Ooh, super healthy. Yes, packed with fiber, vitamins, antioxidants. It's a super healthy smoothie. Alright. Good for weight loss. Yeah, put a pep in your step. Good to clean and build your immune system. All right, and if you don't like the dragon fruit in it guys, you can leave it out, or you can blend it and strain it and then you add it to it. It's up to you. Good weight loss detox smoothie here guys. Drink it as a breakfast, a meal, any time of the day, lunch, breakfast, or dinner. All right. Love upon me, and I love upon you. Bye guys. Super healthy, super refreshing.